Hey guys, it's Dr. Nicole with Healing Hands. I just wanted to make this short video for you on proper lifting. So let me show you the proper way to lift. So when we have a box, what we want to do is you want to square your body off to whatever it is that you're lifting. So just square off. You want your feet to be hip width or shoulder width apart and get a nice, good, firm stance. And then the muscle groups that you want to use are these big, strong thigh and hamstring muscles instead of your low back muscles, okay? So what we want to do is we want to bend slightly at the waist, almost as if you're going back to sit in a chair. And then we're going to squat down, lift up our box, and lift straight up, okay? What we have a tendency to do is we have a tendency to get busy throughout our day, right? So a lot of times what we're doing is we're not even paying attention to where our body is moving in space. So we have a tendency to rotate, then lift. This is you don't want to lift this way. When you rotate your body, a rotated lower spine will put your low back into its weakest mechanical position. So you have no power, okay? So you don't want to rotate. Now, when we do rotate and we lift things like that, even sometimes when it's something as light as a pencil, what it does is it causes these low back joints and spinal bones to shift or twist out of alignment. And we call that a subluxation. So when your spine goes out of alignment, it's called a subluxation. What that subluxation does is not only does it cause weakness in the core of your body, the core strength of your body, but it also causes stress and irritation to all the nerves that come out of the low back. Now, those nerves send strength and energy down your legs for power and support, but they also send strength and energy to all the organs in your pelvic area. And all of those organs rely upon the energy from the brain in order to function properly. So misalignments in your low back not only will cause weakness in your legs, feet, and toes, but it will also slow down the function of some of your organs, causing things like constipation or leaky bladder and even reproductive problems as well. The other thing that I want you to know is sometimes you can have misalignments in your spine that are slowing energy down to your organs and not have any pain associated with it at all. Okay? So just because I want you to be aware that just like having a cavity, just because you're pain-free doesn't necessarily mean that you don't have these subluxations. So hopefully this little demonstration has helped you. Of course, any questions at all, don't be afraid to ask.